G'day everyone, Uncle Jojo. Great to see you all again. Today I've been asked a question by Rick. G'day Rick. He's asked me what my thoughts are on a battery powered circular saw compared to a electric circular saw. The difference between a battery powered circular saw and electric powered circular saw is obviously one has a lead and the other one needs a battery. The circular saw, also known as the skill saw, is one of the most used tools on a construction site. I find quite often that a battery powered circular saw doesn't have the power required to cut through big timber beams. But that's not to say it doesn't have its place. We can use the battery powered circular saw if we're up on a roof or places where we can't get electricity to easily. If we've got the ability to hook into electricity, then I'd be using an electric circular saw over a battery powered circular saw any day of the week. It has a lot more power, a lot more of a consistent cut, and it's a right-handed saw compared to a left-handed saw. The weight of them are about the same. When this one has a battery in it, it's almost the same weight as an electric powered circular saw. The setups are basically the same, but as I just said, one's a left-hander, one's a right-hander. One of the biggest causes of injury at the moment on construction sites are people that are using battery powered circular saws and they're holding it with one hand and cutting it with the other. And most of those people are in a rush and they're just cutting and they're not actually putting the material in a secure spot and holding it down with clamps or anything like that. So please be careful using circular saws in your construction site. If you've got any questions or queries about any of that, flick them over and I'll answer them for you best I can whenever I can. Thanks for watching, and like always, stay unreal banana peel, and I'll see you in the soup.